What's up everyone, Chef Justin here again. This is going to be a quick Instant Pot demo. Vermouth braised chicken thighs with fingerling potatoes, fennel, and arugula. If you want to save some time, you can use these already peeled garlic cloves. I got these from Trader Joe's. I'm just going to put them on the cutting board here and use the side of my knife and the palm of my hand just to smash them, just to release some of that flavor. You could use a bigger knife for this, but this little slicer worked just fine. At this point, you want to give it a good stir just to make sure all those ingredients are combining and the vermouth is evenly distributed. I use the rice setting on high for 9 minutes, but you can use manual and set it to 9 minutes as well. So it looks like the rice was sitting in there for about 7 or 8 minutes before I let the pressure out. I like to put a towel on top to catch all that steam. So on the recipe it says to use a slotted spoon to take out the chicken thighs and the potatoes. I forgot to take out the potatoes and I just used some tongs, but you know what, it's okay. The recipe turned out great. Here I'm using about 2 or 3 tablespoons of the liquid, the poaching liquid, to mix it into the flour. I'm going to add this back to the Instant Pot and make sure that it gets mixed evenly and thoroughly, and then you can see that I started heating the liquid back up. What I want it to do is to boil. I want it to boil for about 2 or 3 minutes just to thicken that sauce. At this point, I've taken the chicken thighs out and put them on a platter. I tore up some arugula and I'm mixing it back into that poaching liquid. Okay, here are the chicken thighs. Now if you wanted, you could sear these off in the Instant Pot first, you know, before you braise it, just to get some color on the outside. But you know what, this dish is fine. It's got a lot of flavor from the fennel, from the arugula, from the potatoes. Here I am putting the last bit of the sauce on that's been thickened right on top. At this point, it's ready to serve. You could drizzle it with a little olive oil maybe if you want, put a little more garnish on top, but as it is, it's ready to serve. This is a great, super quick weekday meal. Serves about 4 people. Hope you enjoy it.